Hey everyone, this is Mike, AI5QK. Wanted to give a quick update on where this K4 web server project I've been working on is. Give you guys a quick update and show you what it looks like. So what we'll do is bounce over to the web server and let's see, here we go. So this is what it's looking like so far as the layout goes. As you can see, VFO A, B, we have the band and mode controls. You have your filters, push to talk, your connect at the top right hand corner. I built a menu system in here. So now we have the ability to add and remove radios. So we have a little thing called Radio Manager, a little Python module that I set up. So you can go in and edit and add the radios in here, and you'll be able to see a list of all the radios that you have under the control of the K4 Web Controller. Of course, you get the ability to delete them and edit them, and then each radio is going to have its own sort of unique identifier and password. I'm working on getting the settings pulled in there, so that way if you have like certain volume control or certain filter settings, I'm going to see what that looks like and see if it's sort of or see if it's even worth the hassle. Then you'll have the session information here that populates with the latency to the radio from the perspective of your browser. Actually, I don't remember if I'm calculating per browser. It might be from server to radio. I'll have to double check the code on that. And then settings, right now I have that pretty basic, just kind of figuring out what the layout would look like. So the audio routing, your master volume, buffer sizing, gain, and then toggling audio processing. So we can close that down, and here's what it looks like. So we should just be able to hit connect, and it's going to use that default radio that I have in the list. You grant permission, and there you go. So we can move the spectrum and then the pan adapter waterfall up and down, drag and hold. Averaging is broken. Well, I shouldn't say broken. This is working, but it's actually averaging on the radio itself, not the spectrum and the waterfall that you see here. So I'll have to do maybe like a browser side or something to do like a simple moving average, so that way we can play around with what this looks like. Let's see, filters. So yeah, we have the filter set up, and these correspond with the filter shift and width. So as you can see right now we're in CW mode. I clicked it, and the filters are increasing and decreasing. If you press and hold, you get your details around filter shift and width, your step for your VFO. You got noise reduction. Press and hold gives you the context menu. Same for your noise blankers. I'll go through here. Let's see, the band and modes. So yeah, these are the shortcuts. So you have 20 meter band will take you to the beginning of the 20 meter, but if you select 20 meter and any of these options in here, it'll take you to a preset area of the 20 meter band for like CW. So if I were to do that now, so you can see it moved me the VFOA over here because it took me to 14020. And then obviously we can scroll, and here's your pan adapter, and I got the alignment working now with the pixel mapping and the other issues I was having. Get your sub receiver. I can turn that on, as well as just move around the VFO, and you should see him start to come into place here. Push to talk. Let me make sure we're in test mode. One sec. Go. So we're in test mode. So basically this is, we're all using the Opus EM3 encoding. So press and hold, and there you go. You can see what we're transmitting or encoding at, and the sample rate. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Click to turn off. Session info. Yeah, latest data now. It's being populated. So a couple of items I'm going to add, just a preview, adjustable span here. I'm going to change the averaging. I'll probably add a couple more buttons down here for like APF and a couple of other attenuation, preamp. and then pan adapter needs a little work on the calculations. So if I turn that on, so we have that little issue to where it's something with the reference. Obviously, that's not what the K4 looks like. It's how the web is interpreting it. So turn that off, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna end up posting this on my GitHub once I've got it to a stable point. I'm probably not going to make this like an all-inclusive thing. I just want to see if it was possible to do. I wanted to make it modular so that people could take advantage of adding, multiple radios, and yeah, hand it off to the public and let them use it if they want to. If they don't, that's fine. But here's where it's at, and yeah, I'll get to a stopping point, and then we'll be done. This is AI5QK. Thanks.